Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to install the Yuzu emulator on your PC very easily in 2025 with a working link. So guys, I will leave a working link to download Yuzu emulator in the description, and you can click on it and then it will redirect you to a page to download Yuzu. So let's get started with the tutorial. First, what you need to have is the latest version of Microsoft Visual C++. So it's required for Yuzu emulator to run. You can download that from the Microsoft Store, or just type it on Google and you will have multiple downloading links. You can also have a look to the requirements needed to run the emulator as well. You don't need to have a very good PC to run this emulator, but it is preferred to have dedicated graphic card and some RAM, at least 8 gigabytes. Now, for the download, once you have downloaded the Microsoft Visual C++, the process of downloading the required file begins. Once you are on the homepage, click on download button as you can see right here, and then you will have these two buttons, either Microsoft installation instructions or download Yuzu for Windows. So click on download Yuzu for Windows, and then here you will have this page, so click on download. After that, for extra security, make sure that you download the correct version, and if in doubt, check the MT5 hash and compare it to see if any tampering has occurred. So be careful guys of downloading the files from a mirror site. Maybe some sites are trying to scam you by injecting viruses into the files you download. Make sure you only open the file, the link that I'll leave in the description. So once the download has been completed, please check your downloads folder. You will notice the setup ends with a zip file. So you can extract the .zip file using a Windows built-in extractor or use a third-party tool such as 7-zip or WinRAR. Of course, extract it in the same folder, and once extracted, you will see a folder named Yuzu Windows MSVC Early Access. Inside this folder, please look for yuzu.exe. It's this application, and after you double click it, you will see the following screen and you can load the keys and games you physically own and have paid for. And that's it guys, it's as easy as that. The whole process takes like 10 minutes to do. So if you want to have a video about how to get games for the Yuzu emulator, just let me know in the comments. And if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.